What's the meaning of back to basics? Back to basics. Back to basics.
Back to basics. Back to basics. Back to basics refers to returning to the simplicity and essential components of a task, concept, or process. It involves focusing on the fundamental principles that underlie a particular subject while stripping away any unnecessary complexities. This approach emphasizes the importance of foundational knowledge and skills in achieving success. Going back to basics can involve unlearning habits or strategies that have become ingrained and going back to the basics to relearn with a fresh perspective. This strategy is often employed in education, sports, and business to create a stronger foundation for growth and development. By focusing on the fundamentals, one can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of the subject matter.